Hey everyone, Zain here, and today we're going to show you a comparison between TurboTax versus Real Accountant. Tax season is here again, and you are probably asking yourself the big question: should I do my taxes with TurboTax or hire a real accountant? Which one is actually better? And more importantly, which one will cost you less? In this video, we are diving deep into TurboTax versus Accountant in 2025. We will compare features, pricing, pros and cons, and by the end, you will know exactly which option is right for you. And for now, let's go. TurboTax overview. First up, TurboTax. This is one of the most popular tax filing platforms in the US, owned by Intuit. And in 2025, it is more advanced than ever. It uses AI to guide you through your return step by step, and even checks for red flags or missed deductions. There is also TurboTax Live, which gives you access to real CPAs and tax pros if you want a human to review or even file for you, right through the app. Pricing. Free edition for simple tax returns. Deluxe around $69. Premier about $99. Self-employed around $129. Live full service options range from $89 to $389 depending on complexity. So if you have a W2 and maybe a side gig, TurboTax probably has a tier that fits. Accountant overview. Now let's talk about professional accountants. These are CPAs or tax preparers who will handle your entire return, sometimes even giving you year-round advice. In 2025, most accountants offer both in-person and remote filing. You just upload your documents securely and they do the rest. Pricing varies a lot. So basic returns start at around $150 to $250. Self-employed or investors may cost you $300 to more than $700. Businesses or complex taxes could hit $1,000 or more dollars. You are paying more, yes, but you are also paying for peace of mind and personalized strategy. Side-by-side comparison. Here's how TurboTax and an accountant stack up side by side in 2025. For the ease of use, TurboTax is super user-friendly with guided prompts and AI help. Accountant, no tech learning curve, and they do everything for you. Accuracy. TurboTax good, but depends on what you enter. Accountant, often more accurate with complex deductions or investments. Pricing. TurboTax starts free, goes up to $400 with full service. Accountant usually starts at around $200 and goes up based on complexity. Time investment. TurboTax expect 1 to 3 hours for most returns. Accountant, you will spend 15 to 30 minutes gathering docs and they do the rest. Audit support. TurboTax includes optional audit defense. Accountant, many will personally help or represent you if audited. Who should use TurboTax? TurboTax is perfect if you have a simple W2 job or a basic side hustle, if you are comfortable using apps and tech, if you want to save money, if you prefer to do it at your own pace at home. Plus, if you are tech savvy and your tax situation hasn't changed much, you will probably get through it in under 2 hours. Who should use an accountant? On the flip side, go with an accountant if you own a business or multiple properties, if you invest heavily in stocks, crypto, or real estate, if you have foreign income or complex deductions, and if you just want a stress-free filing experience. Accountants are also a great choice if you have had major life changes like marriage, kids, inheritance, or even switching states. Which is cheaper? On paper, TurboTax is cheaper, no doubt. Most users can get their taxes done for under $150, sometimes even free. But if you miss a major deduction or make a costly mistake, that cheaper option could cost you more in the long run. An accountant might charge more upfront, but they could save you thousands. It's really about value, no just cost. Final verdict. Use TurboTax if you have a relatively simple return and want to save cash. Hire an accountant if your taxes are more complicated or you just want expert help. And if you are stuck in the middle, try TurboTax Live. You get the tech and the human support. And that's all for today's video. If you find it helpful, please don't forget to support us with like, subscribe, comment, share. Thanks for watching and see you in a new video.